Hi folks, what we're looking at is 18650 lithium-ion batteries, and every single one of those batteries is dead. They all died within about a two-month period, and I suspect that the reason that they died is because of my charger. I have an Opus BT-C3100, and I've had it for about 3 years, and I'll show it to you here. Let me just move this over. So here it is. Now I'm going to plug it in, and keep your eye on this display right here. There, you see how that's flashing? As if sometimes it thinks there's something in there and then it doesn't. Now I suspect that there's something wrong with this unit. And most of the time it would work okay and it would charge my batteries the way it's supposed to, but sometimes, even on a fairly new battery like this one, this battery is only a few weeks old, and it killed this battery. It would most of the time it'd work, and then every now and then I'd go over to this charger, and it'd read null, as if there was nothing in there, whereas when I first put it in, it looked like it was charging the way that it should. Anyway, if anybody has one of these kind of chargers, one of these Opus BT-C3100s, and they've had a similar issue with it, I hope you'll tell me about it, because I'd really like to know if there's a way to fix it. Now, I bought another charger, and I'll show that to you in a minute, but I still might try to fix this, but the only thing I could really do for it really would be to take it apart and clean it. Could use electronics cleaner, and then maybe look it over and see if there's any solder joints that don't look quite right or something like that, and that'd really be all I could do, but I might still try to do that. Anyway, let me show you my new charger that I bought. So this is the new charger, and this is a Nitecore, and the model for this is, it says new i4, and it charges a lot of different kind of batteries. It charges all the same ones as my Opus, I think, and a whole range of lithium-ion batteries, and nickel metal hydride, nickel cadmium, and it has the same range of input. Goes from 100 to 250 volts, 50 to 80 hertz. So this is well, we're in the middle of a power outage, but you know, I'm running. I have my my solar power is powering the light. So anyway, I can finish my video, I hope. Anyway, So I have this new charger, and I spent probably the equivalent of about almost $30 on this thing. And hopefully this will last, although I might try to fix that other one. I really would appreciate it if anybody has had a similar experience with their Opus and what they did to fix it, if they did fix it.
We will serve the Lord, even when trials come, for none can separate us from the love of God. We are more than conquerors, no one can defeat us. We are the chosen generation. We